What up? Back again, another drinking video. I just got off work. Just fucking kicking it. I'm about to watch some True Romance. I don't know if you guys ever seen that movie, but it's pretty dope. RUGBY721 told me to make a video, with burps, because everybody keeps requesting I do that, so here we go. That was a weak ass one. This is fucking in the new place. There's still shit everywhere. It's not all moved in and everything. I'm tired of this and everything. I don't really have a whole bunch to talk about. Work is alright, I guess. Fuck. I feel like no good burps, man. I'm fucking tired. Gotta work tomorrow on fucking Easter. I'm not happy about that. Nope. I'm boring the shit out of you guys. Sorry I haven't been on fucking YouTube in a while. It's just how the cookies crumble. I've been busy and shit. Ooh, that was the alright one. Try to get you guys a good one off this full.
You go to the movies. What are we gonna see?
A lot of shit.
Who's Sonny Chiba? Who's Sonny Chiba?
My boy JT, you were supposed to hang out and drink a 40 all quick, but.
You wanna take me to a kung fu movie?
It didn't happen. That was fucking weak. Well, I'll have to sign off, guys. I tried to do some burps. It ain't fucking happening. But I will post this video, burps for RUGBY721. Hopefully you like it. I'll try to post a better one later, I promise.